morning kids. My name is Poonam Srivastav, class teacher of LKG from Gurukul Kids, Manjalpur. Dear kids, let's we start our session with morning prayer. So kids, now join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. God bless me and God bless you. God bless me and God bless you. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless children here today. God bless children here today. God bless children far. God bless children far. So kids, I hope you revised your previous lesson at home. So kids, let's we start our new session. So see, here is alphabet A. This is capital A and this is small a. Capital A and small a. But kids, I will give the other name of the alphabet A is Mamma A because it is a capital A. So I will call Mamma A. And next is, it is a small capital. So I will call Baby A. Mamma A, Baby A. It is Mamma A, Baby A. So how can we write Mamma A and Baby A? Let me start. Here is some lines. See. If you write, see, you can see this notebook. In this book, you just practice on it. And how can we write alphabet A? Mamma A. How can we write? See, this is red line, this is blue line, two are blue line and two are red line. So let me start. Remember, slant line, forward slant line. Just start with red line from bottom and finish with blue line, forward slant line, and start with backward slant line, red line to blue line, backward slant line. And now kids, in the middle you just draw sleeping line. See, this is Mamma A. Mamma A. You just call it Mamma A. Mamma A. Now, how can we write Baby A? Here is Mamma and where is Baby? So, let's we start with Baby A. How can we write? See, there is two blue lines. In the middle of the blue line, you can draw a C, right open curve and standing line and half curve. See, it is a Baby A. Let's repeat again. See, forward slant line, backward slant line, and in the middle sleeping line. This is Mamma A. Right open curve, standing line and half curve. Baby A. So Mamma A and Baby A. Let's we read in book. See kids, this is your book number 1, page number 1616. Mamma A. See, here is Mamma A and here is Baby A. Let's we read. Okay, let's we read together. A for apple. Here is apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. A for anchor. See, This is anchor. A for apple. A for ant. A for anchor. And next page is 1717. A for album. A for album. A for abacus. See kids, this is abacus. A for abacus. A for X. A for X. Let's we repeat again. A for apple. A for ant. A for anchor. A for album. A for abacus. A for X. Now you just turn the page. See, here is Mama A and Baby A. Ant, apple. A for ambulance. Kids, repeat with me. A for ambulance. A for ankle. A for ankle. A for astronaut. A for astronaut. A for anthill. A for anthill. Now kids, you just revised your lesson at home. Now see, you just turn the page number 20. See, practice. Tick the apples with capital A and cross the ones with small a. Mama A with tick and Baby A with cross. See, here are Mama A. You just tick. Where is Mama A? You just tick. And where is Baby A? You just cross it. Okay kids? Now next is your practice time. You just mention the date on the both page. Trace the letter and color the picture. First of all, you just trace the Mama A and also color it. Apple, red color, apple, and trace and write. First of all, you just tracing the alphabet A, Mama A, and after that you just write down Mama A. Next is page number 22. See, Baby A. First of all, you mention the date, trace the letter, circle the picture. See, here are two pictures, but circle the picture that starts with Baby A. So, A for arrow, circle. A for arrow, Baby A. You just tracing it. After that, trace and write alphabet A, Baby A. Tracing. After that, you just write down Baby A. Now kids, here are some ant. A for ant. You mention the date. Write capital A under black ants. Here are some black ants. You just write down Mama A. Mama A. See. Write Mama A under black ants. See. Mama A. Mama A. And small a. Baby A under red ants. Here are red ants. So we write Baby A. Baby A. Baby A. Baby A. Okay kids? Next. See. Page number 2828. You mention the date. Recap. Write the first letter of the name of each picture. One has been done for you. See, Mama A and Baby A are right together. A for apple. A for anchor. A for ant. A for anchor. A for ambulance. A for X. Now kids, here are cross the pictures whose name do not start with the letter given in the box. Let's we start. Kids, see, here are some picture which is not related to alphabet A. See, A for bat? No. Cross. This is wrong. A for abacus? Yes. A for astronaut? A for cat? No. This is wrong answer. A for dog? No. This is wrong answer. So you just cross it. And A for anthill? Yes. A for anthill is right answer. So kids, you just revise your lesson at home. Okay, you just do practice more and more alphabet and start. So kids, here is your homework. See, my practice book English primary, page number 12. Homework. You just mention the date. Say, trace and write. Here is A for ant. Mama A. You just tracing it. Mama A. And after that, you just write down in Mama A. But kids, remember the starting line to end point. Okay kids? Now see, here is baby A. Homework. Date. And Mama A, baby A. A for ankle. Tracing it. After that, you just write down the baby A. So kids, I have an activity related to your Mama A and baby A also. Let me start our activity Mama A. Kids, you have already got this activity book. So in this book, see page number 79, you just mention the name and date also. See, here is your activity. Dip your index finger in red watercolor and trace over the letters. So let's we start our activity. Kids, first of all, you colored your tracing finger and over the letter. First of all, you forward slant line and backward slant line. Sleeping line. See, this is Mama A. Now, first right open curve and standing line. This is baby A. So kids, I hope you enjoyed this activity and do the practice at home. This is your activity. Okay kids, and first of all, you revised your lesson alphabet A, Mama A and baby A. Okay kids, now goodbye. Thank you.